In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter NSF, or bounced, checks in QuickBooks Online. When a customer's check bounces, it can be a little confusing to record properly. You've probably already marked the original payment as received, but then your bank notifies you that the check didn't clear and may also charge you a fee. In QuickBooks Online, we want to clearly track both the amount of the bounced check and any related fees, so your books stay accurate and you can recollect the payment from your customer. We'll start by creating an invoice to represent the bounced check and the fee you're billing back to the customer. At the top left of QuickBooks Online, click the plus new button and choose Invoice. On the invoice screen, select the customer who wrote the bounced check. For the invoice date, use the date the check actually bounced, not the date you originally received it. This helps keep your accounts receivable aging report accurate and makes it easier to match things to your bank statement. Next, in the product or service area, add a line item for the bounced check amount. If you don't already have an item for this, you can create a new service item called something like bounced check or returned payment. Link it to the same income account you normally use for that type of sale, so your reporting stays consistent. Enter the original amount of the check on this line. Now add a second line on the same invoice for the bounced check fee you're charging the customer. This might be to cover the bank's fee, your administrative time, or both. Again, you can use a separate service item named something like bounce check fee, so it's easy to track. Enter the fee amount you want the customer to pay. When everything looks correct, click Save and Close. You've now recreated what the customer still owes you, plus the additional fee, all in one invoice. Next, you'll want to record the fee that your bank charged you as an expense, so your bank account and profit and loss are accurate. Go back to the plus new button, and this time select Expense. In the Payment Account field, choose the bank account where the bounced check was deposited and where the NSF fee was taken out. Set the date to the date the check actually bounced, or the fee appeared on your bank statement. In the Category or Account column, choose your bank charges or bank service charges expense account. If you don't see one, you may need to create it, but most charts of accounts already include this. Enter the exact amount your bank charged you for the NSF fee. Once that's filled in, review the expense for accuracy and click Save and Close. By doing these two steps, you've captured the customer's renewed balance, the fee you're charging them, and the expense your bank charged you, keeping your QuickBooks Online file clean and accurate.